I want to spend a few minutes telling you about something really neat that was announced today, August 19th, 2024, from the PowerCat team over at Microsoft, and that is the Business Value Toolkit. This is part of the larger Center of Excellence Starter Kit, and it is just incredible the type of stuff that you can create automatically using this tool. So this is based on using generative AI actions within Power Automate. It is designed to create this storytelling framework that your organization can use to kind of track the business value of enhancements, of changes, of future iterations, of things that you're going to do at your organization. So the 5-stage storytelling framework is the problem or challenge, the solution, obstacles, the value, and the next steps. Then the model is going to evaluate each story against the strategic objectives of your organization. It'll quantify the value using a value calculator. And once you, as the administrator, approve these values and say, yes, we're going to add this to it, it creates these value cards that you can add to SharePoint. So let me show you a little bit more of this. This is the announcement that I saw today on LinkedIn from Stephen Jeffrey, which is quite impressive. So the whole idea here is, how can we help organizations measure their value? How can we help them understand why they should build these applications and these solutions and what's it worth? So very cool stuff. You can learn more on a ton of this information. What I also would like to show you is the Microsoft Learn documentation about how this works, and as well as what's in the toolkit. So pardon my scrolling as I show you some of these neat things. So here's our value analysis. It's saying for this one, foster a safe and healthy work environment. It's giving me a score. It's saying, is this in line with our broader objectives that we want to keep our organization aligned with every new app, with every new enhancement, with every new process? So you can analyze and see the results of this. Again, looking at that value calculator. So check this out. It's saying, well, this should give a reduction in your workplace incidents by 33.57%. Yeah, sign me up. We're going to implement this. And then it creates these value cards. So it looks like this in the Power Platform. And that's just going to help illustrate, tell the story, and showcase what you're doing and what end result that will have on the organization. Once you like that, you can also add that to your SharePoint Online, which is what this is showing you, just to increase the impact of your incredible success story. Of course, with everything generative AI, you can tailor your approaches for different use cases. So you can start to give it some detailed information, and it's just spectacular. I'm looking forward to seeing how organizations can use this. I think it's another excellent tool that's coming out as part of the Center of Excellence, and you should definitely check it out and let me know what you think.